me, I'm being tortured here. Somebody help me, please. I'm being tortured against my will. Somebody,
I gave you my heart.
So hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a Paceybits draft video. So let's see who I can build. Don't bully me in the comment section for making dumb choices, guys. Normally build Premier League ones. Like ones I know, like Premier League. So yeah, let's see. I don't know which formation to choose on. I say we choose a random one. Oh yeah, this one. Let's go for this one. Well, realistically, we'd go for Alexandro, but I'm gonna go for Mane. Do I take? I don't know how to take. I'm not really good at making decisions on this game, so yeah. Realistically, you would take Messi, but as I'm building the Premier League draft, I'm just gonna take Viri, I don't know how you say his name. Sorry. Henderson. Enough or Özil. David Silva. Boo. I'm gonna have to do it. Oh wait, no. Wolverhampton. Oh, that makes the chemistry better as well. Van Dijk. Yes, I'm gonna take Van Dijk. And Shaw even. Oops, I'm right there. Matic. And one goalkeeper. I guess it's gonna be Lawrence. So let's build the subs. Obviously I'm gonna take Alisson as it's Premier League once again. It actually took down the rating, I'm not too sure. Sorry about that. No, I normally just choose whoever I want really. I normally just choose whoever's the best, as I've already built my squad, so I'm just gonna choose who has the highest rating. Or like that. That's an Arsenal player, I do believe. Team of the Year Ronaldo, I'll take that. That could be helpful. We're also going to be playing the, I think, what's it called? Well, when we get there, I'll just show you what I'm going to be also playing with this squad. But Doi, I don't know why I took that one to go, and it was Son. Robertson, Ali, let's take Doi, and this guy. Okay, so now we're gonna play. Oh, well, now my team's went up to 180s, which isn't bad. So now we're gonna be doing the draft league. As you can see, I'm second currently. So let's see what happens. So I haven't uploaded in a long time as well. Well, 3 days. It's not like that long. I just can't be really bothered to upload. Because I was just deciding to play some Fortnite and stuff. Yeah. Well, Ozil's just squad then. I'm gonna have to substitute. Get that Team of the Year Ronaldo in there. Okay, let's see. Ronaldo with another goal. Well, Ronaldo with goal even. Assist by Torreira. It's actually lasagna. What? Lasagna. Ronaldo with another goal. Oh, what? Because I picked the wrong one. The wrong place. Oh, shit. That guy's got a record. Ronaldo with the third goal. And we've won. Claim all my credits. And I'll do a little mini pack opening, because why not? I'll open, let's say, I'll open like 100,000, no, I'll open 2 of these special packs. Team of the week. And another special pack. Another team of the week. Now open one of these packs. Okay, gold, Brazilian. That's Aguero. No, it's not. It's Edison. Yeah. Okay. Right, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was just a short draft